All right, tonight for dinner, and I know we'll have leftovers, which is good, so I can put the leftovers as a freezer meal. I'm lining a cookie sheet, parchment. I'm spraying it just to be safe. Otherwise, just spray your cookie sheet. You need 2 cans of Grand's crescent roll. So of course, huh. All right, I'll open that one. I'll have Russ open that one while. Look at that.
You have to keep pulling.
I know, but that one didn't work. My oven is preheating to 352. 350 also. All right, so we take this. Wonder how old these are. Shouldn't be separating like this. That's all right. Doesn't matter. It will work. Isn't that weird? Isn't that weird? It's all right. I'll just pull them sideways. You want to squeeze the seams. Get rid of the seams. You could take a rolling pin to this too. You know, do it on parchment paper on the counter and then transfer it. It's probably not a bad idea. Oh, Maggie's ready to play. I guess that's pretty good. I mean, the thinner you get it, the more you have to eat. Let me wipe my hands off. Next is ham. I guess half a pound if you had to go buy some. Otherwise, just cover it in ham. I guess I'm being chintzy by tearing it, hey?
Keeping it real.
I guess. Don't forget it. That's fine. I'm just gonna use my towel. I'll have to wash this after. Okay. Mozzarella rust, can you hand me the mozz? Now it's just a game of layering. You can have sliced, I just happen to have shredded, so that's what I'm gonna use. I guess I did pretty good. Russ, can you put that back? Thank you, sir. Feels like it's gonna rain again. Provolone? Sorry, it's pepperoni. We'll get to the provolone. Bigger slices make it faster, right? Instead of the little ones. Now, this is going to be our dinner. But this is actually a really good appetizer. You just cut them smaller for appetizers, cut them larger for dinner. It smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like I'll need to make the other one. Use the other strip. It's getting humid too. I'm getting hot like all of a sudden. I know the oven's on, but still. Let's just, there's 4 left. Let's just plop them on here. Okay, I do want to wash my hands now. Provolone. I already tore it off, but it's slippery now. It's like a comedy of errors tonight. Seriously? Here. It's slippery.
Can't find the seam.
I just cut it. We'll put it in a Ziploc bag. Gracias. All right. Oven's ready. Pepperoncini. And we got a fork. Sounds like there's a woodpecker outside, doesn't it?
What?
Sounds like a woodpecker outside. It's all seeds. I love pepperoncini. This we have to stock up on more. We only got one more jar in the basement.
What's the difference between these and banana peppers?
Not much. Well, no, there actually is a difference. These are more salad. For salad. Banana are more
mild.
Well, you can get hot ones, hot Hungarians. They're almost identical. I hate to say they're different because they
smell
aren't.
the same.
Yeah. Pepperoncini are just smaller.
Okay.
Maybe that's just the difference for more of a salad than a. Doesn't that sound like a woodpecker out there? It could be. You don't hear it?
I can't hear anything. I don't have my hearing aids in.
Oh, you're missing out.
I think that's plenty of peppers.
Oh, it's gotta get it all over, Russell. How much is left? Fine, I'll save it. You ruined it, Russell. I'm gonna put the whole jar.
It looks like you put a salad on there.
Well, yeah. Well, we gotta be. Time out, people. Now, yeah, these must be old.
I just got them.
I know. They're probably not rotating their stuff at the store. See? Yeah. That was very junky job on this one. You don't have to match the seams on the edges, so it really just cover it all, okay? I mean, if they don't match the seams on the top, no big deal. People must be walking to their cars.
Yeah.
Maggie, we're good. Thank you. These would be good on football game day.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go that way. It worked out all right. Okay. All right, let me wash. This weather is making me tired. Now we brush olive oil.
You gonna put any spices on top?
Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano. Is that all right with you?
That's what I was thinking. Or some like pizza seasoning
Or just Italian seasoning, but there's a lot of stuff going on in here, so I think I'll just do a little bit of oregano. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm.
I always recrush my dried ones, dried herbs. And then a little bit of parm. The oven go off? Yep. All right, 30 minutes. That's it then. I'll bring you back when we're done. Oh man, this looks amazing. I'm gonna let it cool and then I'll cut a piece. So that's how it looks. Oh man, I'm gonna serve this to Russ with a fork. Delicious. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next video and enjoy this. This smells and looks so good. Bye.